Hello YouTube, this is Commodore 128D I just picked up. I love restoring old machines, especially Commodore machines, anything 8-bit. And sorry, I have a cold. And I just picked this up, and I've never seen a keyboard this orange. I mean, I don't think anyone has seen a keyboard this orange. Look at that. So yeah, so the question is, can I retro-brite this? I think I can, but I mean, it feels good. The machine, you know, it's not terrible. A couple scratches, but yeah, it's totally salvageable. When I'm done, this machine will look great. Okay, here it is. This is the worst yellowed Commodore keyboard, or any Commodore device I have ever seen. It's kind of impressive. I mean, if you ever wondered if the badge would yellow, pretty clear that it doesn't. Look at the gray writing on the keys. It almost pops like it's fluorescent because the keys are so yellow. It's just straight orange. I mean, if you turn it around this way, you can see which way the sunlight was hitting it. Okay, so anyway, I'll pull this keyboard apart, pull the keys off, and we'll get it started. See how it goes. It's gonna be a tough one. This is the true test. If we can retro-brite this, then we can retro-brite anything. Okay, it started to get a little tedious trying to brush each and every key when they're all just so orange. So I switched to peroxide in a bottle with 50-50 water, a couple drops of dish soap, and now I just try to keep them wet, give them a good spray, and just rotate them so that the worst parts face the sun, and we'll see how this works. Okay, so here is the keyboard, partially assembled, and I have to say it just looks great. I can't even believe it's the same keyboard, and it is the same keyboard. And here it is fully assembled, and I think it looks really good. You can't even tell that it's the same brown keyboard. The gray keys came out just a little light, that's fine. The faceplate looks great. I just really think overall it is just way better than I expected. I had high hopes, but I just still can't believe it. So, you know, don't give up on a really brown machine. Just take your time, be patient, and don't go too fast so it doesn't get blotchy. rinse it a lot, and you know, you can do it. So good luck. See you next time.